your mind when you hear the word lemongrass? Probably you'll be thinking of teas, herbs, and condiments.
Go.
But that's not simple as that. Of all the aromatic plants and herbs, lemongrass is one of the oldest
Go.
and best loved of the gardeners. Lemongrass is a monocotyledon herb plant which belongs to the grass family of Poaceae and is also known as Cymbopogon citratus. It is also utilized for its distinct lemon flavor and citrusy aroma. History of lemongrass. Lemongrass has been used in cooking and as a herbal remedy for thousands of years. While the commercial distillation of lemongrass essential oil for export reportedly began in the 17th century in the Philippines. Lemongrass wasn't widely distributed until the last 100 years or so. The current popularity of this fresh lemony herb in essential oil may be attributed to a Sri Lankan researcher named J.F. Jova, who acquired some lemongrass and researched its beneficial qualities. By the late 1940s, lemongrass essential oil was being produced in Florida and Haiti. In 1951, Citronella, a closely related essential oil, genus Cymbopogon, comprised 55 species of grasses, two of which referred as lemongrass. These are the Cymbopogon citratus and Cymbopogon flexus. The Cymbopogon citratus, or West Indian lemongrass, is native to maritime Southeast Asia and famously preferred for culinary use. The Cymbopogon flexus, or East Indian lemongrass, is native to Cambodia, Vietnam, India, Sri Lanka, Burma, and Thailand. It is used in the manufacturing of fragrances because of its extended shelf life. Although lemongrass is sometimes called a citronella grass, but they are different, though they are closely related as their look and smell are very similar. However, citronella grass has reddish-colored pseudostems, while lemongrass has a white and light green color. Lemongrass grows quickly and spreads to fill a planting pot. This plant is expected to reach a size of 3 to 5 feet tall and up to 2 feet wide in growing season.